Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to edit text and image on Canva. Edit text and image on Canva. So guys, go to Canva and just click on create design. After that, click on customize if you want to customize and design, for example 500 by 500 as you can see here. And after that, guys, what you can do, just go to, for example, this is my image. I want to edit text and image. Just you can do, guys, click on edit, as you can see here. Go to Magic Studio and click this option called grab text. Click this grab text. When you click this option, guys, you will edit it easily the text, as you can see here, grab text, and you will edit it easily with this text. This is how you can do, guys, to edit text and image. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon, guys. Keep watching. Any question down below in comment and I will answer your question.